to transfer money from Paysafe to Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Paysafe account to your Revolut account. So first of all you have to do is just open your Revolut account. All you have to do is just set up your Paysafe account in order to transfer the money successfully, and after that just open your Revolut app, and after that just simply log into your account in your Revolut app, and after that just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the mobile screen. And over here you will be able to see the option called accounts. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply click on joint account section from there, and over there you will be able to see the option called add money. Just simply click on add money section from there, and after that just select the option for adding funds via bank transfer, since we're going to transfer the money through the bank account from our Paysafe account to our Revolut account. And after that just look for the option called add fund using your Paysafe card details, and some financial services may also allow you to add funds from a prepaid card like your Paysafe card or your bank services. And after that just simply enter the amount of the money that you would want to transfer from your Paysafe card to your Revolut account, and after that just complete the transfer by following the prompts to complete the transfer process. This may involve providing your Paysafe card details like your card number, expiration date, CVC code and other details. And after that just confirm your transfer while clicking on continue, and there you go. This is basically how you will be able to transfer your money from your Paysafe card to your Revolut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.